Okay, just want to give a little update here. What's been going on here? Got the window frame all painted. I put Master Series on this, and then just sanded it and put a top coat on it. That's the color I'm painting the car. Here's the dash, all painted. It's a turquoise with a flake in it. Anyway, that's part of the color. Go ahead and painted the trunk out. And it's all done. Done these on Pour 415 and then epoxy primer, and then I put some undercoating, undercoating in these wheel wells, and then some paint on top. So anyway, so where we're at. So that's the color car's going to be. It's kind of dark right now, but see it in the sunlight, I think it's going to be nice. All right.